If you've been seeing Smiler's Daily Dental Soft Chews for dogs online, you may be wondering whether it is truly helpful for your dog or just another product with big promises. The brand says these soft chews can support fresher breath, cleaner teeth, and better oral health without the stress of brushing or vet cleanings. It also mentions ingredients like brown seaweed, probiotics, zinc, green tea, parsley, and chicken liver flavor, which are meant to make the chew both useful and easy for dogs to eat. Before we start, here's a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. We do not promote or endorse any products or supplements shown. All opinions are based on public information and red flags that may suggest misleading or unsafe marketing. Now, when we look at the claims more closely, some things need caution. The biggest red flag is the idea that these chews can replace brushing completely. In reality, brushing is still one of the best ways to control plaque and tartar. A chew may help support dental health, but it should not be treated like a full replacement for proper care. Another claim to be careful with is fast results. If a website makes it sound like bad breath, plaque, and tartar can improve very quickly, that is usually overpromising. Real dental support takes time, and results can vary from dog to dog. It is also important to remember that one product cannot solve every dental issue. Bad breath may sometimes be linked to infections, gum problems, digestive issues, or other health concerns that need a vet's attention. Ingredients like seaweed and probiotics may have some supportive benefits, but the evidence is still limited, so they should not be seen as miracle ingredients. And while the website may show glowing reviews or a high rating, those testimonials are not the same as independent scientific proof. There are also website concerns. This site was recently registered on June 28, 2026, which does not automatically mean it is bad, but it does mean buyers should be careful. We also noticed there is no phone number or physical business address listed, and that makes the company harder to verify. The legal pages also seem limited, which is another thing to watch. On top of that, the site shows strong product ratings, but there does not appear to be any Trustpilot presence, and the brand seems to have little or no social media activity. So, is Smiler's Daily Dental Soft Chews for dogs legit or scam? It may not be an outright scam, but there are enough red flags to stay cautious. The product may offer some support, but the marketing looks more powerful than the proof behind it. Always talk to your vet before trusting any chew to handle your dog's dental health.